car pulling left or right when spring season hits? That's not normal, and your car is trying to tell you something. After winter, potholes, salt, and temperature changes can throw your steering off, and now you feel it every time you drive. Sign number 1. If your car drifts left or right without touching the wheel, your alignment is likely off. Why it happens? Winter potholes can knock your wheels out of alignment, changing how they point and track. Simple fix: get a wheel alignment done. It's one of the most common fixes. Sign number 2. If your steering wheel isn't straight while driving, that's another sign of alignment issues. Why it happens? Wheel angles shift unevenly after impact. From potholes or rough roads. Simple fix: have alignment adjusted to bring steering back to center. Sign number 3. If your car pulls slightly, check your tire pressure first. Why it happens? Temperature changes in spring affect tire pressure. An uneven PSI causes imbalance. Simple fix: check and equalize tire pressure on all 4 tires. Sign number 4. If your car pulls when braking, your caliper could be sticking. Why it happens? Winter salt can cause rust buildup, making caliper pins stick. Simple fix: clean and lubricate caliper pins, or replace the caliper if needed. Sign number 5. If you feel pulling with vibration, your suspension could be worn. Why it happens? Salt and road damage accelerate wear on ball joints and bushings. Simple fix: inspect suspension components and replace worn parts. Sign number 6. If pulling started right after hitting a pothole, something likely shifted or bent. Why it happens? Impact can knock alignment out or bend parts. Simple fix: get alignment checked and inspect for bent components. Sign number 7. If one side of your tire is wearing faster, your car has been pulling for a while. Why it happens? Misalignment causes uneven contact with the road surface. Simple fix: rotate tires and correct alignment before replacing tires. Sign number 8. If pulling gets worse at higher speeds, it could be alignment or tire balance. Why it happens? Higher speeds amplify small imbalances or misalignment. Simple fix: check alignment and balance your wheels. Sign number 9. If steering feels harder on one side, something is binding. Why it happens? Components like tie rods may be worn or corroded. Simple fix: inspect steering components and replace worn parts. Most steering pull issues come from alignment, tire pressure, braking imbalance, or worn suspension. Steering pull isn't just annoying, it affects control and safety. Fix it early before it leads to bigger problems. Drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more signs and symptoms to help keep your car running smoothly, and I'll see you next time.